Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Been a while I've done any videos or anything. Been busy with work. Yes. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you a 5T I've been working on. Previous video I didn't show the motor with the billet head that I made. Not quite finished it. There's not much to do on it. Basically, I put the engine in this 5T just to do a mock-up to just show where everything is. So far so good. Anyway, so I'm running this Chinese reed setup. The only problem, you couldn't do it in the 5B because you will hit the roof of the roll cage. So run Team Chase copy cage. Yeah, it comes close to the roof. So basically what I've done on the reed block itself, I did make a piece so to change the angle a bit, so it's not so close to the roof. Still at the moment, if you look closer, it's X amount distance from the roof as it is, and realistic, a little bit close, because if you do a major roll, you will the cage will compact down to a point, and it could hit the filter. So anyway, just showing you what I've done on this 5T. It is pretty basic to a point. A lot of billet parts at the moment. Yeah, so the only thing Taylor RC that I run is the rear shock brace, so it suits that's more to suit that type of cage for clearance wise. Run bone gears, so for the higher ratio gears, I think 2846 or something like that. I'm running. That'll pull that, no problems. Everything's basically all pieces of parts I had lying around that I put together, all billet bits and pieces. Trying out these what is this, Mad Max spike tyres. See how long they last. Just a cheaper alternative instead of use the BRPs, which I use on the other ones. Yeah, it's looking good. So basically, I have made a pipe. I made the main chamber. The only slight problem I got was fitting in the cage. In the cage, fitting, no worries. If you run the stock carburetor on the Rovan 71 and plus the manifold and that type of thing, yes, I fit that pipe in, not a problem. Because as you see, the WJ71 that Rovan runs, they run a shaft out the side. Okay, and that's what's restricting me putting the pipe in at the moment. So I have ordered another WJ71 carb from Husqvarna. That's where I got it from. I just got to do adjustment on the meter setup. They have a short shaft, right? So you turn it upside down, same as the in the RC Max Taylor engines, right? But actually, I worked out another thing, you guys, because I have seen people have broken those shafts or got a shipment and the shaft's broken. If you did break that shaft on the Rovan style WJ71, what you can do, if you snapped it off, turn it upside down. Same as the RC Max setup. Okay, you drill a hole on the linkage. That's what Taylor does on theirs, and you can put the throttle system on that. So if you got a Rovan WJ71, you're breaking the shaft on the outside, then the car be upside down. The only thing is with your pulse hole is going to be in a different location, so you're going to have to put a pulse set up, pulse line set up, and you'll find everyone else, they're very expensive from Rovan. The WJ71s, they charge top dollar, and it's actually cheaper to buy a standard WJ71, much cheaper. So guys, if you have that problem, that's what you can do. Turn it upside down, put a pulse line on it, it'll get you out of trouble. Alright guys, so I've got parts from the States, not States, RC Max, UK. I'm putting the full set of FLM arm set up. On the other barges and that, I only put the FLM bigger swing arms on the rear, because I didn't really want to shell out. These are quite expensive compared to what they used. 15 years ago, I think we were paying about $350 or something. Now they're about £312, so to Australian dollar you're looking about $630. Pretty expensive set. So I only got the rears last time and just put the Rovan longer arms on the front, just made my own turnbuckle set up. So yeah, so this time I shelled out full set. I couldn't get the proper UDL whatever dog bones. There's none in stock in the UK or in the States, so this will do. I've got the cups and all that, it's not a problem. This one I'm just putting a normal locker in it. The titanium low shaft in, and I thought at the same time the clearance problem what I have in the cage, the roll cage, I brought two of these because I need one in my other 5T. It's got the Supreme 71 in. I'm putting that in so that way the air filter's not hitting the exhaust, it's more or less shooting up out of the road. And I thought at the same time it's going to look a bit weird. Let's actually put one on this set up what I'm doing. Okay, that's another way, but you know, I'll see if that works. If not, I might have to make another inlet set up that's sitting bolts to the reeds, more angle on it. I'll just mill it more so it's not so quite that high. Got my springs and all that. Plus for the Max 5T type of thing with the giant swing arms and that, the rear springs are really soft. So I'll put a pair of them under your primary. Secondary, I'll have to find something to do the job because that's the weak point. It's about it, guys. I noticed there's another website in the States, AKIL. They sell these tyres. Similar to these, they might be better, but I'll try these out first. You know, the rip off the beadlock, that's the only thing I'm worried about. I'll try them out, but as it is, I'll just run the standard FL and dog bones in it. They'll go into the SC cups and that until the big dog bones are up and going for sale, and then I'll probably buy about 4 or 5 sets just in case, and that because they can snap. That's why I'll send a video. One of the guys in there snapped one of his dog bones. That limit strap comes loose. They'll jam up because you can't run a big angle on those UDL dog bones. It's crazy, really. The long extended dog bones should be 2 mil shorter. That's where the problem is. Alright guys, so just a quick one. That's nearly there, so probably in the next week or so I'll show you the pipe setup. Just got to muck around with this carburetor setup because that shaft is in the road. if I have a short shaft on there, it's not going to be a problem. I can even tip the carburetor upside down and drill a hole in one of the levers, and that same sort of tailor it and do it that way. But anyway, I'll order a new carb. It should be in at the end of the week. So yeah, looking good. I'm only built this one. The reason I went this way, I got two 5Bs, right, the Rovan 71s. They're all good. The problem is if you need to take the cylinder head off, or the cylinder or whatever there, it's a lot of work because you got to get that cage off, and it's just so much work. With a platform like this, the 5T setup, you're not running that inner cage set up, you're just running the chase cage. That didn't enable me, so out in the field, something goes wrong or I want to try a different combination, I can actually take the cylinder head off, put a different cylinder on, try this piston out, put it back together, easier to work on. So that's basically why I've done a platform like that, and I've been looking forward to do it because it's easier to work on. Some of your Lossy 5Ts and that, you know, they're great, but they're easy to work on. But mate, you try to carry one of them around, no, you can't. It's just big and awkward and heavier. So that's it, guys. Just a update what's happening and run videos. Yeah, I've been saying that for a long time. It'll happen. I'm hoping to go camping in about 2 weeks, so it could be a good day to take the buggies out for a bash. Plenty open area, heaps of people on that. Yeah, all good. Right, guys, I'm out. See you next time.